बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 17 इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मैग्नेटिक डिस्क। ये टॉपिक आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैग्नेटिक डिस्क। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स से लेके टू रिकॉर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन तक। देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिक डिस्क coated with a layer of some magnetic material. The read-write head of discs are similar to record replay head on a tape recorder. It magnetizes parts of the surface to record information. Next one question is, how magnetic discs are different from recorder play head on a tape recorder. The answer starts from, the difference is that a disk is a digital medium, binary number are written and read. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द फ्लॉपी डिस्क। द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ फ्लॉपी डिस्क टू एंड रिलायबल तक। अ फ्लॉपी डिस्क इज अ स्मॉल मैग्नेटिकली सेंसिटिव flexible plastic wafer housed in a plastic case. It is coated with a magnetic oxide similar to the material used to coat the cassettes and videotapes. Most personal computers include at least one disk drive that allow the computer to write it and read from the floppy disk. Floppies are inexpensive, convenient and reliable. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन पैराग्राफ में हमारे पास है लिमिटेशंस ऑफ फ्लॉपी डिस्क, दैट इज फ्लॉपीज आर इनएक्सपेंसिव, कन्वीनियंट एंड रिलायबल बट दे लैक स्टोरेज। लिमिटेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम, दे लैक द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी एंड ड्राइव स्पीड फॉर मैनी लार्ज जॉब्स. Data stored on floppy disk is also subject to loss as a result of stray magnetic fields. As far as floppy disks are connected, they are reliable only for short-term storage and cannot be used longer, and no attempts should be made to save the data for a long time. As the magnetic field weakened, the data will be lost. Next one topic is हार्ड डिस्क। शॉर्ट में ये टॉपिक आपसे इस तरह पूछा जाएगा, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट हार्ड डिस्क। द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम, मोस्ट यूजर्स रिले ऑन अ हार्ड डिस्क as a primary storage devices. A hard disk is a rigid magnetically sensitive disk that spins rapidly and continuously inside the computer chassis or in a separate box connected to computer housing. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, what is hard disk. Next one question is, what is the structure of hard disk. The answer starts from, this type of hard disk is never removable by user. A typical hard disk consists of several platters, each accessed via a read-write head on a movable arm. Next one topic is compact disk, CD. CD stands for compact disk. ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपसे इस तरह पूछा जा सकता है, द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज कम्पैक्ट डिस्क. द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन अ लेजर टेक्नोलॉजी टू 17 gigabytes ऑफ डाटा. फर्स्ट वन लाइन इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर MCQ. कम्पैक्ट डिस्क इज बेस्ड ऑन लेजर टेक्नोलॉजी. इट इज मोल्डेड प्लास्टिक डिस्क ऑन विच digital data is stored in the form of microscopic reflecting and non-reflecting spots, which are called pits and lands. Reflecting spots called the pits and the non-reflecting spots are called lands. Next one question is, what is pits and lands. Pits are the spiral track encoded on the top surface of CD, and lands are the areas between pits. Next one question is, write the method of data reading in CD. The answer starts from a fine laser beam scan the surface of rotating disks to read the data. Pits and lands reflect different amount of laser light falling on the surface of CD. This pattern of different amount of light reflected by the pits and lands is converted into binary data. The presence of pits indicate 1 and the absence of pits indicates 0. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, what is the storage capacity of CD and a DVD? The answer is, a CD can store over 680 megabytes of computer data. A DVD, the same size of traditional CD, is able to store up to 17 gigabytes of data. Next one topic is flash drive. The question is, what is the flash drive? Describe its size, storage capacity and some advantages. The answer starts from, it is also an electronic based device to school computer. First one line for MCQ. Flash drive is also an electronic based device and consists of data storage ICS. Next one question is, what is flash drive? A flash drive is a small storage device that can be used to transport file from one computer to another. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, how flash drive is easy to handle? The answer starts from, they are slightly larger than the stick of gum, yet many of these devices can carry all your homework for an entire year. We can keep one on a keychain, carry it around our neck or attach to our book bag. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, write some advantages of a flash drive. The answer starts from, a flash drive is easy to use into a USB port on a school computer. यहाँ तक complete आप इसके advantages लिखेंगे. Next one topic is 17.8 applications of computer. First one application is word processing. ये क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर में इस तरह आ सकता है, what do you understand by the word processing? The answer starts from, word processing is such a use of computer through which we can write a letter, article, book or prepare a report. Word processing is a computer program. Using this program, we can develop any document, see it on the screen after typing. We can edit the document, add some new text or delete the previous text or make amendments in it. We can move text from one page to another, even from one document to another. Documents can be stored in the memory and its print can also be taken. By means of modern word processing, we can write it in different styles and in different colors. We can also use graphics. यहाँ तक complete आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अ साइड ब्लॉक, जो कि आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है और आप ये कंप्लीट याद करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन साइड ब्लॉक इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हार्ड डिस्क एंड द फ्लॉपी. ये क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर में इस तरह पूछा जा सकता है, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हार्ड डिस्क एंड फ्लॉपी? द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम, if the CD is made of metal or glass, it is called hard disk, and if it is made of soft elastic material, then it is called floppy. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.